Hey guys, everybody, just about, loves to play video games. They're fun. They, let us escape. They let us do things we can't do in the real world, and they, let us experience some things that otherwise we might not be able to do. It also allows us again to take a risk or to allow ourselves to fail, whereas in most cases we don't. We want to do well in everything we do. We want to do it correctly the first time. Um, so I want to look at ways that we can incorporate, kind of some of those things that games do well into the classroom, into the learning environment. One way that I like to include um, a game itself into geometry, which everybody loves geometry, right? Um, is through the use of a game called shape mods. This goes through some of our quality core concepts that we have as far as reflection, rotation, and translation, and puts it into a game where they're actually having to figure out, which one of these it's doing in each one, and if they do it correctly, they get points for that. If they do it incorrectly, the points are taken away. So it's in a game setting, and what it does is you have in order to get a perfect score on the game, you have to really know about how to do a reflection, a rotation, translation. So this is what the game looks like, and you can find it at mathplayground.com. It's called Shape Mods, and what you're doing is the figure is basically going from the green to the red, and you're looking at, well, how would I get from the green to the red? If you look at to get this shape, the green one, down to the blue one, to actually do this translation, we would have to shift the whole thing down a number of units. And if we look, the blue one here is at 1, 2, and then it's shifted down to 1, negative 5, which means that it's shifted down. So I want to translate the Y, and I want to shift it down 7 units. Alright, we go through, get it right, we go to level 2, and we have 100 points. Do the same thing here. This one is a combination. We're actually shifting up and then over to in this case, to the left and down. So we go from 1 to, it goes from 5 to 1, so we're shifting to the left 4 units. And then from 6 to 2, so we're shifting down 4 units. Alright, shifts over, down, got it, and we get 100 points. This is, again, a combination. Again, we're shifting to the left and we're shifting down. Let's say that you make a mistake. So we're going, it goes from 0 to 5, so that's shifting left 5. And blue is at 1 down to negative 6. So that's 7. Let's say you accidentally put it shifting 6. Alright, so it's going to go over, shift it shift it down. Oh, we didn't quite make it. Alright, well, it took away 25 points, but again, we kind of know where we're at. I need to shift it down 1 more unit, so I can go ahead and do that. And again, though, we got 100 points for that one, we've basically, yeah, it's okay. We can make a mistake here and there. But again, the whole process is actually learning how to do this, and this game provides a great way to reinforce the ideas of what a reflection, a translation, and even a rotation are, which are concepts that are in the geometry curriculum. But this game environment allows it to be experienced in a way that the kids can have not only fun with, but actually learn from also. Well, thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this.